Hey Sprinkles, it's me, your cupcake girl. So for today's video, I'm gonna try to escape the new Wild West Obby in Roblox. And if you're wondering, Sprinkles, how I got here, well, technically, I went to a sprinkle shop in Roblox. Of course, it's not in real life. I tried to buy some sprinkles, but this man came up to me and said that I stole it. Like, excuse me, I buy it. And then they just put me in the jail for no reason. After I get out this jail, I'm gonna give that guy a good punch. But don't worry, I made an escape hole. Wow. Where are the Carabaos? Carabao. What are these? No, it fell. Wait, is this soul sand? You know what? I don't wanna know. I don't wanna find out if this is sand or soul sand. I don't even know what soul sand looks like, to be honest. Oh, okay, this is. What the? Ma'am, ma'am, where did you come from? Ma'am, what are you doing? Ma'am, where did you get those horses? Hey, that's my horse popcorn. Get off my horse popcorn. I swear to God. You, Michael, football, you guys stole my horses. I had a collection of them. You just stole them. Really? They love me and they don't love you. I can see that. Is this a demon skull? You know what? I don't want to find out either. No, no fair. They get to ride their horses and have fun while I have to stay here locked up. I mean, I'm not locked up anymore, but and there are tombstones. For a second, I thought it was a house because I only saw the bottom, but it's a church. This is my ladder. I don't know how I climbed. I can climb the side of a ladder. Look. Whee! There's a snake. There's a snake. There's a snake, and there's more demon skulls. Snake, 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 snake. Run, 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 and there's more skulls. Is this like TNT? Wait, these are TNT. Okay, I didn't know they were TNT. Whatcha? Whatcha? No! Okay, I don't know why I wasn't talking for a moment. I was like, okay, what just happened? Whee! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Okay, I just saw my life flash in a second. Okay. Mm, 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 Okay. Okay, a gold mine. Oh, okay, I'm speechless. That piece of those gold parts are bigger than me. I can send that for fortunes. By the way, Sprinkles, how can you like type your answer to this question and down below in the comment? Have you watched Little Misfortune? If you, or played it? If you haven't, just check it out. And there's a cave of snakes. Nope, can I turn back? Please turn back. I wanna go back to my cell. I don't like this. This is really run, 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 run away from the creepy snakes. Snakes are creepy and they will bite me, and then I will die. I really hope there are no scorpions because scorpions are disgusting. Okay, I swear to God, if there are scorpions in this. Okay. Oh, what? The main things. If there are scorpions in this obby, I will scream. I mean, I won't, but I was being sarcastic, okay? If there are scorpions, not fair. I jump. This game is rigged. This game is rigged like those carnival games. If there are scorpions, I swear. Oh, did I just did I just read the Obby's mind? There's a full of great, and and next I have to go inside a giant snake's mouth. And you heard me, a giant snake's mouth. Oh my god. Okay. Nah. No. I hate that. Mm. Okay, why am I even going forward? I'm about to go in a snake's mouth. Not a poisonous snake. I'll just stay away from it. See, it's poisonous. It's poisonous. I caught. It just splashed me with poison and threw me in the water. I am very. I don't know what the word is, but I forgot. Ew, ew. I would never think that someday I would see the insides of a poisonous snake. But here I am. By the way, these portals do nothing. More eggs? How giant are these? No, the cactuses. I don't know. Oh no. And it's this level. Great. Yes. I think I know where to go. Like, do I have to like lead the bull inside the fence and then jump on that and then escape and then go there? Okay, that will be hard. It's not fair. I'm wearing black and brown and yeah, but except for red. Good bull. Good bull. Good bull boy. Bull boy. Bull boy. Bull boy. Oh no. Oh, no, no, no. Ah. If this bull meets me or something. Oh, I didn't close the fence. I didn't close the fence. No! Okay. Okay, don't stop. I can see you laughing at me, okay? Stop it. Wait, what is this splatter? Oh, I'm supposed to. Okay, okay. That's why there was a splatter. It was showing us. And also that's why there's a broken fence. Oh my god. I can't even see it. Where is it? Oh, wow. Smart creator. If you made this game, you are very smart. Bol bol bol. Haha, silly bull, you can't get me. Run for your life. It's probably chasing me right now. Okay, I almost had a heart attack. I don't even want to look back. Can I look in this bed? I want to see if the bull is still chasing me. Oh, wait, we're actually moving. I didn't think we were actually moving. Oh, I can go up here. Oh, no. Okay, this can't be half. There's a scorpion. I hate scorpions. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Aha, na boo boo. Okay, I'm kind of scared of this game now because there's scorpions and I hate scorpions. Scorpions are just. Ugh, they're just. Now I have to restart the scorpion. Oh, I don't. Why am I so bad at time? Plus, what even are these? Pokemon balls? But lava? You just go for it. Okay, maybe not just go for it. I was gonna say, okay, just go for it. But no. Don't just go for it. I didn't touch anything. Sprinkles, resume that part. I didn't touch anything. Type type below the comments that I didn't touch anything. The third ball is rigged. I'm just rigged, 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 rigged. E- My body parts. Mm. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Oh no, what is this? Okay, I thought that would kill me. Jump! And I just... Winner's badge. Horsey! 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 Actually, I don't like girl horses though. I like boy horses. I want a boy horse. I hate this horse. Anyway, Sprinkles. So, this is all I have for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed the Escape the Wild West, Obby. It was very wild. I can see now why they called it the Wild West. Oh no, horsey no. And anyway, Sprinkles, if you look below this video, you should see a button that says subscribe. If it's red, make it gray, because gray is definitely the way to go. Bye, Sprinkles. I'll see you in my next Roblox or Tokoboco video. Bye!